So guys, we ordered mango sticky rice, the very famous mango sticky rice. Caleb loves it so much, no? That's so good! Sarap ng mangoes nila guys. Oh my god. Hindi siya yung sobrang tamis pero ano eh, parang yung freshness it's there eh. Ang sarap talaga. Walang ano. How's the rice, mango?
Sarap.
Yung sticky rice?
Sarap. Saka ito, I don't know what this is, pero...
Ano yan?
Hindi ko nga alam
Crispies. Parang rice krispies. Yeah, go! You already finished your chicken and now you're having your dessert.
I know.
So naka-display na Triumph speed. So day 3, we're back here in MDK. Kasi yesterday, medyo nagmamadali tayo because we have a meeting yesterday. So, bumalik kami ng resort or ng hotel right away. So, today, balik kami dito sa MBK and then magka-trade tayo ng peso. Oh my god, it went down, no? Peso? So bad. So, ito yung super rich guys. So, they said na ano, ito yung best na ano, money changer dito sa MBK. So guys, kung kailangan nyo ng bottle opener, ito. Ha? Guys. For your information, so dito sa Thailand, legal yung ano nila, yung marijuana. So ito yung mga master push, oh. Ito yung mga variants na meron sila dito. So it's for medical purposes, no? That's why it's legal. Hi sir. You know, Harvest Cannabis Dispensary. So it's located inside MBK, guys. Ito guys, ang pad thai. Siyempre, always fried chicken for the boy. Ako guys, I'm thinking what to eat pa. So having a hard time. Tingin-tingin muna tayo dito. Hey guys, grabe solid to, oh. Tignan nyo, oh. Dito sa parang grocery nila dito sa MBK, meron mga packed meals. And then ang mura. Look at that, oh. 69.75, 69, 65, 65, 69. Yan lang yung prices niya. And then
full meal siya.
Look at that, oh. Egg fried, parang stir fried na pork. And then chicken. Ito yung mga, ito look at this, oh. 41 lang, oh, mga chicken. Dito guys, oh. Diba? How come hindi natin kayang i-offer sa Pinas yung mga ganito, no? Look at that, oh. Oh. Legit shrimps with veggies and then 60 baht lang, oh. Egg fried rice.
This one is 49 baht.
49 baht, oh.
The full breakfast na siya.
Yeah. It's located guys inside MBK Mall.
Look at this, oh. May salad, bread with bacon, vegetables.
Pasta, 39 baht, oh. Mura, oh.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget.
Converse 1,000. Ano ito? Han. 1 lang, oh. Why? You like it? You like it, ba? Ano? How much that?
After discount, 350 baht.
350 baht. How much this?
2,700 baht. Discount 10%.
Ah, 10% only. 30% oh, dito. Okay. 19. Hey guys, so umuulan na dito sa Bangkok. Lilipat kami guys ng Siam Square. Wala kami masyado nabili sa MDK. Saka tayo dito sa Siam Square. So ayan, mga Tuk-tuk patrol. Tayo sa loob. The Siam Square.
Siam Square.
Siam Square. Sa loob. Very straight and then up. Oh. What's that?
Bawal ipasok ng basain. Umbrella.
So they're providing ano guys, oh, plastics. Kasi bawal daw ipasok ng umbrella na basa. Walang guys. Uy, bulas pati. Nandito tayo sa Siam Square ngayon, naglalakad sa gitna ng ulan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Siam Square. Ganda, no? Bulas lang talaga. Shoot natin. Guys, dito kami sa, where are we? Where are we?
Gentlewoman.
Gentlewoman shop. Si Mami, she's roaming around looking for a bag, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's ruined my new shoes.
Oh, look at her. Look at Caleb's new shoes. Wow, the Lego edition of Adidas. There, we're gonna cross the street. Guys, tuloy-tuloy yung mall hopping namin. So, we are here at Siam Paragon naman ngayon, guys. So, ito yung one of the high-end malls nila dito. Tag, Grand Seiko, Dior. So, lahat ng mga Prada, a lot of high-end brands can be seen here. So nice. Silent Paragon. Check out the ano guys, oh, Breitling store. So naka-display na Triumph Speed Twin. Nice. Yeah.
Oh, Lego.
Lego. Hey guys, so we're having our dinner dito sa Physor Cam inside what do you call this? Inside Siam Paragon. So we ordered, of course, chicken wings for Caleb. Ito yung penang parang caldereta nila here. Curry caldereta, parang something like that, yeah. And then ito is yung what do you call this again?
The Thai salad, papaya Thai salad.
Papaya Thai salad. And then itong sibas. Sarap itong sibas sa yung sauce, guys.
And my chicken.
Yeah, the chicken man. Okay guys, we're gonna eat that, huh? See ya.
You can go to the Chatterchap Night Market. Only Friday to Sunday.
Friday to Sunday only.
Yeah.
Oh,
From 5 a.m. until midnight.
okay. Alright. So there's no nearby night market.
No any night market here.
No, none. Okay. Thank you. So we are going home now. Tomorrow maaga kami, we're going to Pattaya. So time check, it's 8:42 p.m. So uwi na tayo, and then tomorrow na again. Grabe traffic dito guys, oh. Medyo challenging lang talaga yan nila pag commute dito. There, bus station. There, the bus station is there. Nag-aantay pa rin kami dito ng bus.
It's been 30 days, I think.
Medyo challenging talaga yung pag-commute guys. Sobrang traffic kasi.
This guy didn't want to drive the train.
Sobrang traffic, no? Whew. So guys, very common dito na marami nagtitinda ng mga fruits, no? Food vendor. So it's good. So nagalumbas guys, kanina pa kami dito.
And guys, the fruits here are very fresh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very very fresh.